I say something that you have no clue, you cannot figure this. Now I will go into a long philosophy about a simple question that you ask. So, people are making a living by making simple things complex. My life is about making complex things simple.
సో ఇది చాలా క్యాషువల్ డౌట్. రఘువరన్ అనే చాలా మంచి యాక్టర్ ఉండేవారు సార్. రఘువరన్ పేరు, ఆయన పేరు చాలా పాపులర్ యాక్టర్, ఇప్పుడు లేరు. ఆయన యాక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ప్రాంప్టింగ్కి డైలాగ్ వేరే లాంగ్వేజ్లో యాక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు వెన్ యూస్ టు యాక్ట్ ఇన్ అదర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్, ఫర్ ప్రాంప్టింగ్ హీ యూస్ టు గివ్ దిస్ స్పేసెస్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ డైలాగ్ అండ్ డైలాగ్, వేర్ అసిస్టెంట్ డైరెక్టర్ యూస్ టు ప్రాంప్ట్ హిమ్. So that became a style. The spaces became a style, and it was very popular then. Sometimes when I was seeing the videos, sometimes when there was some one complicated question, you start laughing. So I doubt if that's the prompting break.
Really?
Okay. No, who is that person who is prompting in your head, and how do you, in that little fraction of second, so well composed answer will come out? How is that possible?
No. No, it's not a prompting break. I don't wish to insult people, but now that you asked, you think there's a prompting break? No. What usually people think is very complex is usually the dumbest thing possible. What people think is very simple actually has a way to touch life. Simple things that people ask has profoundness to it. Most profound things are very simple. This complication is coming because of their own mind, not because of life. So when they ask these stupid questions, which they think is intellectually complex, I can't help laughing.
ఈరోజు ఎన్నిసార్లు నవ్వారని నేను లెక్క పెట్టుకోవాలి, అంత బ్యాడ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగానా?
So, about answering a question, I'm usually not answering a question, I'm always answering the person. They can say whatever they want, I'm not listening to them. Because people can say a lot of things. Shakuni, from Mahabharata, Shakuni said, God gave us humans ability to speak, to hide what is in their mind. See that crooked man. Not to express what's in their hearts, to hide what is in their heart, that is why God gave us ability to speak. Which is true half the time for most human beings. So, they are making up complexities because they think by being difficult, they become valuable. By being difficult, you don't become valuable. By becoming easy, you become valuable, isn't it? This has happened to everybody, but particularly to the so-called spiritual people. You tell them anything simple, they will speak in a language that you cannot understand. First thing, this is the knockout. The first knockout is, if you say something, I'll tell one sloka that you cannot understand. See, it's a way of totally knocking you out. I say something that you have no clue, you cannot figure this. Now I will go into a long philosophy about a simple question that you ask. So, people are making a living by making simple things complex. My life is about making complex things simple. Because it is only by making things as simple as possible, it becomes accessible. If a child is trying to pluck a mango from the mango tree, you're supposed to pull the branch down, not to lift it up and say, okay, pluck it, let me see, you'll grow taller. No, you're supposed to bring it down. Because the mango is not going to hang there forever, it's only for the season. Yes? Life is not going to hang there forever, it's just a little bit small season you have of your own. Isn't it so? Don't think you're here forever. Before you and me came, countless number of smart people have been here, they're all under this buried somewhere. Isn't it so? So it's a brief amount of time. In this, should you see how to make things simple or should you look at how to make it complex? This is the nature of the intellect. An intellect will feel, if you're living just out of your intellect, it will feel stupid if it's simple. It wants complexity. So people who think they're intellectual always are making simple things extremely complex, unnecessarily complex. And then they're miserable, but they think that is also a virtue. If you're joyful, they think you're not intellectual. You must be like this. Really?
Yeah.
You must look like that. This also is needed.
Yeah, that'll definitely add.
Needed. Otherwise, and you must also you must speak towards that is prompting time. I don't have any prompting time because I have no knowledge, I have no nothing. I just tried to be free of all the memory that I have. My body, what memory it carries, my genetics, what memory it carries, my experience of life, what memory it carries, I know how to keep it aside and simply look at things as they are. This means, in your home you have a mirror, being a star, even if you're natural, you still need a mirror, right? Many of them spend more time in front of the mirror than you.
More than me, yeah,
Yes.
definitely, that's what…
So suppose your mirror remembered, let us say, even 10% of what it has seen in its lifetime. If you went and stood in front of it today, what would it show you? Total mess. The value of the mirror is, it has no memory. If it developed memory, gone. So this is the value of your mind. If you know how to keep memory, the silo of memory aside and keep it, it's like a mirror, whatever it sees clearly, distinctly the way it is. Somebody likes it, somebody doesn't like it, it's their problem, that's their memory issue. How does somebody like or dislike something? They've developed a certain memory. I like this, I don't like this, I belong to this, I don't belong to this. I don't belong to anything, I'm just looking at it as it is. Maybe in a given moment, you're not able to expose all dimensions of what it is, at least what is relevant for that moment. So, does your mirror need prompting time? Television needs time, tube light needs time, mirror doesn't need time, so no prompt.